My name is Haiman. I'm the chief of the Division of Epidemiology and Genetics in the Department of Population and Public Health Sciences. In this division, we have exceptional faculty that lead research in a number of areas. One of these is chronic disease epidemiology, with research aimed at understanding how lifestyle, environmental, and genetic risk factors contribute to human disease, with a particular focus on trying to better understand racial and ethnic disparities in disease incidence and mortality. Faculty in the division have access to rich population-based resources, such as the multi-ethnic cohort study, a cohort of over 215,000 participants in California and Hawaii, that has both individual level and structural level data that can be leveraged and integrated for developing risk prediction models for cancer and other chronic diseases. We have faculty with research focused on childhood cancer epidemiology that study the genetic causes of childhood cancer and the environmental risk factors, chemical, diet, and infection as examples that may be associated with increased risk. Our faculty also lead studies that explore the unique combinations of both maternal pregnancy and developmental factors that contribute to childhood cancer risk and other health outcomes, including survivorship for those with childhood cancers. We have a strong program in molecular and genetic epidemiology, and here faculty are developing novel statistical methods for genetic research in multi-ethnic populations, and they are really leading the way in studies of genetic susceptibility to cancer across diverse populations, and developing approaches for how to go about integrating multi-omics data, such as germline variation, the microbiome, DNA methylation, gene expression, and proteomics as examples. And this integration is critical to better understand both the biological pathways involved in disease and also possible targets for disease treatment and prevention. We have faculty with research that is focused on measuring and studying environmental risk factors for chronic diseases, including UV exposure, tobacco, and vaping, and common infections, as well as chemical pollutants such as PFAS. And our faculty have expertise in utilizing geospatial approaches to study environmental risk factors, including air pollution and pesticide exposure, as well as structural risk factors and social determinants of health in association with cancer risk and other chronic diseases. In the division, we also have faculty that lead research on cancer survivorship and cancer care delivery. And these are investigators investigating cancer care quality and delivery and multi-level factors that influence care and outcomes of care. And these are studies that apply health services-based research approaches to understand and address both individual, interpersonal, and system-level factors that contribute to racial and ethnic and other inequalities in cancer care and outcomes. Well, I've been here for 24 years, and I can't imagine being anyplace else. This is a highly collaborative department, and all of the research that I described is conducted through very close collaboration with faculty in the other divisions, as well as researchers at the USC Norris Comprehensive Cancer Center and in other clinical departments in the Keck School of Medicine. But most importantly, the research we do is focused on helping the community and the diverse population where we live here in Los Angeles, and the vast population-based resources we have developed provide really for an enormous opportunity when it comes to research and training and developing epidemiologic skills to take forward to address the most important public health issues of today and in the future.